Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recover your deleted playlists on Spotify. You do have to open the Spotify website for this. Select your profile and select account. Then you're going to scroll down, go to account and go to recover playlists. And here is the deleted playlist. It has to be within the last 90 days. You can get it back. Find the playlist you want to recover below and click restore. So for instance, I have this playlist that I deleted, and you're just going to select restore and the playlist will be back in your account. I'm just going to delete it again because that playlist was for someone in my past, so I'll just remove it after this. Anyways, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.